everyone, it's Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art. Thank you for joining us on another amazing week on our Fluid Art Express with my fantastic art family. And we have a very special guest this week, and I hope you've all enjoyed, because she would have been on before me, the amazing Shelli from Shelli Anderson Art. I absolutely love this woman's art. She just blows me away. I think she's amazing. So super thrilled to have her back on this week. And yeah, make sure if you missed it, go back and watch. You won't be disappointed. She is fantastic. So today we're going to have some fun because I'm back into my loaded palette knives. Okay guys, so let's get into it. This week we're going to have some loaded palette knife fun. I've got some new really amazing colours we're going to try out, and let's just see what the results are at the end. So kick back, put your feet up. Wombat's going to put some tunes on. Let's have some fun.
We've been hiding in the shadows, we've been biding our time. We've been running from the devil, just trying to make it out alive. We don't have to run, be afraid no more. When the thunder comes, we won't fear the storm. Can you hear the drums beating louder than before? This means war, feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war, this means war. getting stronger now. No one left to avenge us, but we will never back down. We don't have to run, be afraid no more. When the thunder comes, we won't fear the storm. Can you hear the drums beating louder than before? This means war. Feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war. This means war. Oh, how the mighty have fallen. Like stars from the sky. Oh, can you hear us calling? Oh, this is a battle cry. This means war. Feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war. This means war. This means war. This means war. Just a little bit harder. Heartbeats just a little bit faster. The sweat begins to drip. You're thinking this is it. You're gonna burn through this. Cause you can only run so long, and you can only right some wrong. Yeah, forgiveness is a virtue, but they all wanna hurt you. Can't hide your guilty conscience. Somebody knows what you did. So smile and act like you're okay, but you're running out of friends in this place, and you can't hide your guilty conscience. You could take it all back now. Can't sleep without dreaming you're found out. You thought you covered your tracks, you swore you buried your racks, but you can never relax. You don't know what's around the corner, and the quiet always feels like torture. Yeah, this is gonna haunt you, at least until they got you. Can't hide your guilty conscience. Somebody knows what you did. So smile and act like you're okay, but you're running out of friends in this place, and you can't hide your guilty conscience. Can't hide your guilty conscience. What was that behind your back? Don't you hear those footsteps? Fate never forgets. Can't hide your guilty conscience. Somebody knows what you did. So smile and act like you're okay, but you're running out of friends in this place, and you can't hide your guilty conscience.
Alright everyone, we might, I think that's it for this one this week. We'll get Wombat to give you a close-up of that. But I think I've got a new favourite colour palette. I'm really loving that. And cool thing about this one too is I used, I got an amazing gift from Billy from TLP, the Fluid Art Company, which was, I always wanted to have a go at this colour. I don't think the screen's gonna, because there's so much glare off it. Abalone. Absolutely amazing colour. Really, really beautiful. So today I used that with Southern Ocean Blue by Matisse. Beautiful colour as well. Now these two colours were actually sent to me by my amazing sister and just a beautiful person, Georgianne Munn. She sent me these for both to Wombat and I actually as a beautiful gift, and they are really truly stunning blues, Georgianne. I love them so much, so I hope you like this one today, as well as I think they're both, I can't think of the name of the colours. I wish I could, but I'll go back and hopefully remember to get Wombat to put them in the description. And this one was Mahogany by Black Diamond. Oh, amazing colour. Amazing colour. As well as my Harry and Wilma Copper. So that was the palette today, and I'm really, really digging the results. I think it looks really, really beautiful. So I hope you did too. And that is it for me this week. Now, next up after me, we have the dynamic duo of my amazing big sister and my beautiful big brother. Very special people to me. Love yous both dearly. It is Tony and Kat Pender from the Hippy Dippy Painter Man. So please come over and join us on the chat and give them some love. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that like button, because it'd mean a lot to me. So that is it from me, guys. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day. Thank you for watching. Go get messy.